If you need to research faster, whether it's for school, blogging, or content creation, Poe AI can help you gather ideas, summarize information, and understand complex topics in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Poe AI for research step by step. First, open Poe AI and sign in. Then choose a strong reasoning model like ChatGPT or Claude-style bots for better research quality. Next, write a clear research question. Instead of a vague topic, be specific about what you want to learn. A good research method is breaking your topic into smaller sections. Ask the AI to explain causes, effects, examples, or comparisons. Start with a summary to get a general understanding, then go deeper into each part step by step. You can ask the AI to explain things in simple language, academic tone, or even bullet points depending on your research goal. One powerful feature in Poe AI is comparing responses from different bots. This helps you get multiple perspectives on the same topic. Don't stop at the first answer. Ask follow-up questions to go deeper and uncover more details. You can ask Poe AI to turn your research into structured notes, outlines, or summaries that are easy to save and study later. Always cross-check important facts using other sources. Poe AI helps you understand topics, but verification is still important for accuracy, and that's how to use Poe AI for research. Yeah, once you combine good prompts with follow-up questions, you can learn and explore topics much faster. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research.